Well, hi there. My name is Aldebaran, and I work at a company or a startup that we call Valiot. Yeah, but what is Valiot in real life? Well, for our clients, we are the guys that put their important information from their manufacturing process to our server in order to do important things like machine learning, distributed computing, optimizing algorithms, and that kind of stuff. But well, for me, I am only the hardware guy that connects the sensors and check that the post is correct for our server. Well, let me tell you a story of a normal day of my life and the issues that our clients comes with me. There normally are two issues. The first one is kind of trivial, but interesting. One of it is when the client doesn't record the variable. So the solution to that is to put a sensor, the right sensor with the right datasheet, so we can put the whole things together and bring the solution to our client. But the other issue that is a lot more complicated is when the client records that variable. So we don't know exactly what protocol he's using. Neither the proper client knows the proper protocol that is talking, his device and that kind of stuff. So let me show you one example of that. This is a PLC, programmable logic control, and our client says to us, hey, I have some important variables from here, and I need you to put it down to your server to do the things that you know, okay? So in order to do that, as I said before, we are a startup, we have resources limited, so what we do? We can afford to buy a OPC server or a gateway that converts the protocol from that PLC to another protocol that we know, like Modbus or another industrial protocol, another open industrial protocol. So well, let me show you how do I solve that problem. Well, as you see, the first link is my solution, and it's a Python library. Well, that was my result, and I say to my CTO, which is here, it's Adrian, right there, and hey, I have this library that it works. I tested, and I'm going to use it. So what do you think? Well, he said me, no, this I saw this in interesting language, which is Elixir, and also I know about this OS, a new OS that is Nerves, and maybe you can put it on that OS. And I say, hey, are you crazy? How can I do this? Well, actually, I have some log to it, and the Python library actually the source code of that library is a C code. It's writing on C, so we can maybe make a wrapper into it. And with the advice of my CTO, says that a lot of libraries from nerve systems are writing on C. So checking out the source code like circuits UART or Blink chain and other stuff, they make some makefiles that help me out to accomplish that issue. And well, this is the result of that. Actually, we make this wrapper over the library you saw before, and we make a little wrapper with a make file and all the stuff. Obviously, this. Thank you. Well, this is the library. Please check it out and contribute it. Thank you.